This video introduces the installation of accessories for the UEC3 series contactors. Firstly, install the 4-pole top-mounting auxiliary contact. When installing, ensure that the top mountings and contactor markings are consistent. Place the top mounting vertically above the contactor. Push along the slot smoothly until it clicks into place. Next, install the side mounting. Ensure that the identification is facing upwards during installation. Align the supporting buckle of the side mounting auxiliary contact with the groove of the contactor. After aligning the buckle, press the side hook into the groove. Hearing a bang sound, the side mounting is installed in place. Next, install the coil suppressor module. There are 2 buckles on the suppressor module. Align the buckle position with the 2 grooves on the base. Align and press down, hearing a bang sound. Insert the 2 wiring terminals into the coil terminal interface correspondingly. Use a screwdriver to lock the interface of the terminal block. The installation has been completed in this way. Next, proceed with the installation of the thermal relay. Align the buckle of the thermal relay position with the groove on the base. After inserting it into the groove, use a screwdriver to lock it in place. Screw locking, thermal relay installation completed. There is a demonstration of the installation of contactor accessories.